Hello friends, in today's class we are going to see the most widely used intermediate representation, that is 3 address code. Welcome again, and this is the part where we are going to spend most of our time, and this part is the 3 address code. Okay, so this is one form of the linear representation. We can say that this 3 address code is nothing but a linear way of representing IR, intermediate representation. And here it is built on two concepts, that is address and instruction, and at most one operator. Okay, so there will be address and there will be an instruction, and there will be at most a single operator. Now address can be any one of the following. Okay, instruction address can be it can be a name, it can be a constant, or it can be a compiler generated temporary. Okay, so we have this is the most important part, that we have at most a single operator, only one operator it will have, and it will have address and the instruction, something like addition, subtraction, that type of. And here address can be a name of the variable. Suppose a is the name of the variable, suppose a, it can be 10 as a constant value, or it can be a compiler generated temporary t1, t2, t3, those who are arising because of that. Okay, so let's have a, with the simplest form of this 3 address code is this, that x is equal to y operator z, and here operator is op is binary operator, so it's a binary operator, and I can have at most what, at most 3 different addresses. So let's apply the same concept to this particular expression where it is written in this form. So first thing, that will be b minus c, and I will say that let's have a temporary variable t1 which is generating b minus c. Next thing will be multiplication with a, and t2 will be a multiplied by t1. Okay, the next thing will be again multiplication, and here I'll say t3 will be equal to t1 multiplied by d. So we have done this part. Now we have a t4 is equal to what? It will be a plus, where a multiplied by t1 is there, that is t2. And finally we can say t5 is equal to t4, this part, and then plus, that is an instruction, and here multiplied by d, that is your t3. So this is we can say that this is a 3 address code generated for this expression. Okay, so this is the 3 address code generated for the expression, for given expression. Okay, so I hope I'm clear over here. Thank you.